dock and just fill that up for me. Bring it back.
Kayla, don't worry. That snake is not going to bite you. Unless if you offend it.
Oh, snake won't bite you.
It will. Small water snakes don't bite.
Yeah, take a few. Yep.
Trying to put your hand.
It's a needle snake.
Needles.
Awesome.
It's a killer snake. Carnival.
All right. So what I have here is a tube, and this tube has some certain chemicals in it. And when it touches the water, it's going to have a reaction. Okay, it's going to turn color. That color is going to allow us to figure out how much oxygen is in the water. Let's step back here. Okay, so yeah, just hold your tube there. I'm going to break. Oh no, that's okay. I'm going to break that tip off in the tube. There we go, and you can dump the rest of that water out. And now we've had a chemical reaction in there. It's turned it a nice shade of blue. Thank you very much. And your name? Kayla. Thank you very much, Kayla. A round of applause for Kayla.
Good job, Kayla. Just like
All right, so we are going to compare our tube to my sample list here, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to tell me when I need to stop, when it matches the color on my samples.
Keep on going. Stop. No.
Last one.
No, last
Last one?
Last one. Next one.
Right there?
No, keep going.
Oh, this way?
Yep. Next one. There.
Yeah.
Right there? That looks like the best match?
Yeah.
So we are looking at between 10 and 12, which is really good. But normally we take a sample like this out in the middle of the body of water. What do you think could change? So dissolved oxygen is how much oxygen is in the water. What could change the level of oxygen if we're taking it from the side of the bank? Yes. Depth, yeah. What else? Okay. What's constantly happening in this water at the edge here? Yes. That's okay. It's very windy out here, right? What's happening when the water comes up to the shore? Yeah, it's creating oxygen. The waves are lapping up on the shore, on the rocks. That is creating more oxygen in the sample. Okay, so if I was actually doing a scientific experiment and I wanted that information to put in a report, I would not take my sample from here. But because we don't all have a boat that we can swim out to the middle of the water with, this will have to do for us today. So the reason we look at dissolved oxygen is different animals require different levels of oxygen to survive. Okay? Something like a carp, they need very low oxygen levels. Okay? Probably about a 3 to a 5 of oxygen. Where things such as some of our sport fish, our trout, okay, they need closer to 10 or 12. Because they are very active. They need lots of oxygen when they're swimming very fast. So this tells me that at this very moment, at this very spot, yeah, we could probably see some sport fish, okay? But, like I said, this isn't necessarily a true test, but this is just an opportunity for you guys to see how we might test this out in the field. All right? Any questions about dissolved oxygen? All right, cool.